Walking the cup in TIG welding is this easy. So if you can do this, you shouldn't have a problem. Let's get to it. Now when you're walking the cup, you're going to want this leading edge on your workpiece right here. I'm going to get a little closer here. This very leading edge right here on your workpiece at all times. You set that down, and all you gotta do is start walking the cup, just like we did that Yeti cup there, just like this. I'm using light pressure with my hands. If you put a death grip on this, you're gonna start sliding and sticking. It won't be any good. So light pressure on that handle. This one here I'm doing with no wire. Running about 150 amps. See that? I'm just walking back and forth, back and forth. Remember that hand pressure I'm talking about? Light hand pressure, everything goes smooth. Try to keep that tungsten the same distance away from your metal at all times. In here, I'm going to light my tungsten with my wire here. Save the end of the tungsten. You get burned up too quick. Add that wire back and forth, back and forth. Nothing to it. Probably a little hot right here, but don't matter. I'm just running over. I'm not feeding any wire. I'm just running it over. Show you some of the hand motion here that you need to have if you want to walk this cup up the side of this pipe. Hand motion will be just like this the whole time. Now remember, I ain't putting a death grip on this thing. You'll figure it out when you get this in your hand and you try to death grip it. It will not walk like this, promise you. You'll be like this. That's what it's going to look like if you do that. With light pressure, you can sit here and walk this thing all day long. 10 hours a day, 12 hours a day, whatever it calls for. I've scored a couple lines on here just to represent the edge of the bevels. This is going to be the motion all the way up, all the way around this piece of pipe. Let's go ahead and light up. My heat's a little too cold here. Should be running a little bit faster than this, but it'll do. I'm not really adding any wire. I'm just running it over again. There's nothing here to fill up. So whatever wire I put in there will cool the puddle down a little bit. I should probably run up 10, 15 amps. I just want you to see the hand motion and get the hand motion down. Since I have a scratch start TIG rig here, at the end here I'm going to have to walk out of this, so I don't leave a pinhole in it, kind of like this. Here's a couple arc shots from our previous videos. If you like the video Hope it helped anybody out there. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And comment. I like arguing in the comments. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.